We're in Old Harbour Bay. We're gonna look some fish. I'm gonna say fish. I know a lot of people say swim around, but I will say fish and fish always. What am I doing? I'm gonna do some boat. Let's see what I'm gonna do. Somebody win a match over there, so. Okay. This is Canadian. Dryland tourists. See you here. I'm gonna buy some fish, I know. Everybody's excited about. I wonder, Owen. Ooh, Portugal gone home. Pelicans. Sitting beside you. Look at that beak, man. Oh my gosh. At the seaside. We are in Old Harbour Bay, guys. See? We are down in the bay. What a much salt. Hi guys, we are out here, me and my bestie. We are at Old Harbour Bay eating fish. And if you know me, I'm not a fish eater, but I'm here for the aesthetics. Just for you guys, I'm gonna have some fish. We're in Old Harbour Bay. And there's lots of music playing. Listen, let me say thank you for yesterday, for all the people on my live yesterday. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my friends, thank you to my bestie who come out and the family come out and show me some love on my birthday. I want to say thank you so much. Listen, I'm still in Jamaica, guys. It's hot. I look like a patty. But listen, we're leaving this island very soon with a sad face. Listen, we'll get up later. Thank you everyone for subscribing. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the big shooters. Thank you for Oliver Unfiltered. Thank you for Beer 195 Studio. Thank you so much for showing me love like no other. Thank you so much. It's hot in Jamaica, but it's a good hot. We're on the seaside. I'll catch you later. Canadian fish. Look at the castles. She's cleared the fish. You are something else. And this one here is done. And there's another plate down there. That's done. Right. Hey guys, so today we are outside and we are having a meal. I'm drinking a sorrel beer and this is Bammy, and Caden's drinking that. What's this? A mango red stripe. And I'm having a fish. We're in Old Harbour Bay right now. And we're having something to eat before we get back into town. This is the area. This is the surrounding. There's a lot of people sitting and eating. We're just gonna be respectful and not. Canadian fish. Look at the castles. She good fish. You are something else. And this one here is done. And there's another plate down there. That's done. Right. Guys. I'm eating my last ice cream cake. See? So I'll show you real quick what is inside ice cream cake. And this is from my niece. She brought me this. One thing I'm not gonna miss with the Jamaica is the road. The road is so bad. Guys, no, I am at my favorite drug shop in Jamaica. It's so nice and windy. I'm going home now, going back to the UK. Yeah. Okay, this is our joint center. Alright. Right in Old Harbour town. There you go. This is the place to go. No jerk shop no better than this one, I tell her that. Famous jerk shop. Bye! We're in Old Harbour, guys. So I got Nicole jerk pork from our local jerk shop. If you're ever in Old Harbour, that's where you need to come. Alright? Let me leave in Old Harbour. July the 10th. 2026, and we're leaving Old Harbour right now. Leaving Junction. Oh my gosh, my supermarket. Bye. See you soon. There's a bus or a truck behind us that making so much noise. So we're talking about. Having my last patty.